Hey YouTube, this is my bike check. This is my 2011 Fit VH1. I got my chameleon seat, pivotal, Odyssey. Changes pink in the sun. I got my stock pedal, stock sprocket, stock chain. I got my double walled rims, sealed bearings. They're pretty good. Front one too. I got my animal grips, my Primo brake, and my Odyssey splice cable line. It's pretty good. It stops pretty fast. Yeah. I'm going to hand it over to my cousin to show you his bike.
Alright, well, this is my bike. Got the 2010 Fit TRL2. Pretty nice. Well, got this pivotal plastic red seat. I like it just for show because I don't sit down. Got my Alienation plain black rims, double walled sealed bearings, both front and back. Well, got my Fit plastic pedals. I like them a lot. And got my stock cranks, sprocket, and chain. Gonna get those for Christmas soon. And got my animal grips. Like them a lot. My Fit sky high bars. Just got those today. Stock brake lever, stock brake cable. And yeah, well, this is how it sounds. Just give you an idea. Alright, well, that was our bike check. Alright, later.